All right, well, good afternoon and greetings to you from Willow Beach, Arizona, here at an elevation of 2,404 feet. Today is Friday, October 2nd, and the local time is 2:36 in the afternoon, and I'm about to get underway here. Let's see, so some news here. So I made it here to Willow Beach in one sitting drive from, what was it, Clinton, Oklahoma, and I made my 1,000 mile mark. Now that's with an asterisk, whatever you call it, asterisk, I don't know. It comes with an asterisk because it's actually was 976 miles. I was thinking, well, just for to be legitimate about it, I was going to travel the extra 14 miles, but this gas station, fuel station here that I'm at is called Last Stop, and it's called Last Stop for a reason, because it is the last Arizona stop until you cross over to the Nevada border. And the next truck, stop area that I would have been able to pull off at was like another, I don't know, 76 miles or something, all the way up in Henderson. And I know that up there, the truck stops are pretty well packed at night. So I stopped a little bit short of the actual 1,000, but I could have kept on going, so I'm calling it 1,000. Yep, I'm calling it 1,000. So, yeah, I'm going with it. Yeah, so whatever, I pulled in here, I forget what time it was. It was like 2 a.m. or something like that, 2:30, something, I don't remember exactly. And yeah, ho-hummed about it for a minute and then said, heck with it, I'm just gonna stop here. Uh-oh. You know what? The truck's going into an automatic regen. Here I am about ready to take off, and it's going to go in automatic regen. Yep, there it goes. Well, that's pretty funny. Here I was ready just to get underway, and it should only take about 5 minutes though, so. There it goes. That's funny, it hasn't even been running that long. I don't think I turned it on till like 9:30 this morning or something like that. So it's only been running for like 5 hours. Just sitting. Because that's what happens. When it's just sitting like that and it's running for a while, the filter will kind of clog up. But usually it takes longer than this. So, that's funny. Yeah, so it's actually pretty damn warm out here in Willow Beach. I can't get you an accurate temperature because I am just sitting, but I'd say it's probably in the high 80s, low 90s, something like that. I do have, let's see, I have 194 miles to go to reach Hurricane Utah, the Walmart distribution center out there. And so what I'm gonna do, being that the last time I did this route here on 93 was during the night, I'm gonna go ahead and run on most of the way out there. There's a pilot pretty close to the destination. It's 181 miles to the pilot, 194 to the distribution center. So I'm going to run on up there and hang out the rest of the day there. And yeah, I guess what I'm getting at was I was debating doing this again at night just because it's kind of warm, but I did this at night last time and I kind of like to check it out and see what it all looks like. We'll be going past Hoover Dam. I don't know if we'll be able to see it from the interstate or not, but we'll be going by it anyhow, so at least that way if we can't see it, you know, then we're in luck. Boy, there's a lot of trucks all of a sudden going by. That's great. There hasn't been many trucks coming through for as long as I've been up, which has been like a couple hours maybe, or an hour and a half. And now all of a sudden there's like all these trucks going by, which means I'll be fighting for position, I guess. Excuse me. So, alright, I'm going to let this truck here finish its redone, and then we'll pick it back up as soon as it's done. So, see you in a bit. Okay, just finished. Man, way to ruin my little video here, truck. That didn't take too long. It was only about 5 minutes. There we go. I think I can pretty well get away with interrupting it when it starts doing that. It's not a problem. I mean, I know I can, but if the truck figures it needs a regen, just let it do what it, you know. Its little computer, it's probably smarter than mine. So I'm not gonna tempt it, I guess. I mean, the whole thing is that it does it automatically as it drives too. It's when, you know, when you're at higher RPMs, it burns hot enough that it clears the filter out and all that.
Continue on Bonanza Drive.
So, am I gonna be able to fit through here without screwing everybody up, I wonder? I think so. Yep, got a lane, special lane here just for me. Sweet potatoes. No problemo. Okay, so that's actually probably, that's the true last stop right there. We just went by the actual last stop. So there's two last stop gas stations or whatever. It just is that the one that I pulled into last time, and the store is cool inside. Like, they got all kinds of crazy stuff in there. Like, I mean, like their gift shop, you know, a lot of these truck stops, you know, like the mega truck stops, right? They have their little gift items or whatever, and they're just kind of nothing that special. But some of these, you know, more privately owned little truck stop places find just the craziest stuff to put on their shelves. You know, you go, where do they find this stuff? You know, and so that last stop that I was just at, that one is just like that. They got some crazy stuff in there. Yeah. And being that, you know, we're right near to Nevada, you know, and they got Area 51 and all that. So they have a whole bunch of alien gift item things. It's cool, whatever. You know, it's just kind of stuff that you're not going to find anywhere else, you know, really, I guess. So it's cool to just kind of, you know, look through there. I mean, it's cool when you have time. In my case, I kind of have to just kind of do the old Chevy Chase look at the Grand Canyon, you know, and then kind of walk off, I guess, you know. So, yep. So let's see, 178 to Pilot, 191 to Walmart Distribution Center, and yeah, we're good to go. What was that, a couple hours, I guess, 2 or 3 hours, 2.5 hours to pilot. So, easy peasy, nice easy day. Yep. I mean, it should be after putting in that many miles yesterday. Yep. Yep, so yeah, just kind of in the middle of the desert here. Wow, yeah, imagine that. Like I said, last time I did this, it was the middle of the night, and just, you know, all you have is just that little tiny beam of light from the headlights. And, you can't really get a very good feel for what the hell is around you, you know, at all. So it's always interesting to see, you know, to compare what your mind's eye was telling you was out there at night compared to what's actually out there during the day. It's always kind of just interesting to see, you know, what kind of things your mind will come up with compared to what's really there. Yeah. I guess it's about what I kind of figured it was. Yep, seen one desert, seen them all pretty much. The only thing that really kind of catches the eye, you know, and gets your attention is just the nature of the geology, the you know, the mountain formations, the rock formations, you know, what kind of yeah, geology. So anyhow, so yeah, let me see if I can get you a temperature here yet. That's telling me 97 degrees. That could very well be accurate. It probably is, yeah, I'd say that's, yeah, it's not settling down any more than that, so, yep, 97 degrees, there you go. So, yeah, I'll see you somewhere on down the road. See ya. This might, high profile vehicle use left lane 1 mile ahead. Gotcha. So this looks like this might be the area where we go over the wash of the Hoover Dam. I think, yeah, Hoover Dam, visitor center, exit 3 miles. Payment wash, access road. So anyways, yeah, here we are. Oh, there it is. Well, I can see it. I can see the dam. You can't see it. But I can sort of see it anyhow. Wow. And I'm going to welcome you now to Nevada. The warning that they said right there, having to do with high-profile vehicles, is because of all the power lines. This is just littered with power lines there. I mean, obviously, right? Of course it is. But it's like just littered with them. I've never seen so many power lines in such a short, like, small area. Yeah, that's crazy. And I believe I got a way station here coming up, CMV check-in station or something. See if we get the green light here. Get up to 100 degrees here, so yep, it's definitely toasty. Gotta crank up the heater here now. Ride it out in 8th. I'm not going to push it. We'll ride it out in 8th gear at about 13,500 RPM. When you really start pushing your RPMs, that's when you know, it's like, just ride it out. Just ride it out, you know, middle RPMs. Otherwise you're gonna overpressurize the system with temperature, pop a hose or something, you know, so just ride it out. There's no need to stomp on the pedal just to try and get up this hill and then end up broke down, right? If I was stomping on the pedal right now, my temperature gauge would be freaking all the way up to 230, 225. Right now it's just like 210. And it is hot. It is definitely hot outside. Hot, hot. I'm gonna call this one a wrap, and we'll get another one going here shortly. So see you on down the road.